Hello, welcome to Cooking Channel with Mahtab. Let's make the most delicious recipe of mixed pickles together. I'm sure you'll fall in love with pickles with this recipe. My measuring cup is a French mug with a handle. To start, we need 3 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, 500 grams of chopped, washed, and dried cauliflower. Chop the cauliflowers into any size you like. Next, we need 2 washed, peeled, and sliced carrots, 2 peeled eggplants chopped into large pieces, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 diced bell pepper, 3 hot peppers, 1 tablespoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, whole, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 heaping teaspoon of nigella seeds, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of tarika. In the first step, add the mentioned 2 cups of water to a suitable pot, along with the specified amount of vinegar. Now add salt, turmeric, tarragon, coriander seeds, dill, and black seeds and stir. Then place the pot over relatively high heat until it reaches boiling point. Now add the chopped carrots and eggplants. Whenever you add a piece of the ingredients, the water stops boiling. Wait for it to start bubbling again from the edges. When it starts boiling from the edges, start timing and let it stay for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the bell pepper, garlic, hot pepper, and chopped cauliflower to the pot and stir. When you add the cauliflower, the water stops boiling again. After it starts boiling from the edges, let it stay for 4 minutes and you're done. Place a suitable bowl under a colander and then drain the pickle contents. Do not throw away the pickle water under any circumstances. Set aside to cool completely separately. We separate them for this reason. Because the pickle water is very hot, if the cauliflower and other ingredients stay in it until they cool, they'll definitely become mushy and ruin your pickle. Therefore, we let them cool separately. Now you just need to get a jar that matches the size of your pickle. Your jar should be completely clean, dry, and free of any grease. Pour all the pickles into the jar along with the pickle water. When it's filled to the brim, close the jar lid tightly so it doesn't leak at all. Set aside for 24 hours in a dry, cool, and dark place. Then it's ready to eat. Enjoy! Thank you very much for staying with me until the end of the video. I'd love for you to subscribe to Cooking with Mahtab and join me on this culinary journey.